Once upon a time, there was a kingdom called the Kingdom of Sodor. One day, Thomas and Ashima were delivering some water to the water towers in the kingdom. As soon as they got there, they met up with Percy, Merlin, and Hurricane. Hello everyone, said Hurricane. Guess what? You're right on time to see the new trucks. What new trucks? Asked Thomas. I'll show you. Come on out. One by one, they came out. Who are you guys? Asked Tsushima. Okay, so you're wanting their names. This is Corey, Amy, John, Ty, and Tusi. Those are the names. Hello, hi, how's it going? Pleasure to meet you. Nice to meet you. Wow, those trucks are friendly, said Ashima. Yeah, I agree with what Ashima said Thomas. Me 2, me 3, me 4, me 5, me 6. Those trucks are super helpful, and we are their friends. But there were some bad trucks. One was named Kyle, who was the leader of the gang, Tobbler, Tumbler, and Felicia, and Slagger. They were really bad trucks. But then, Henry parked them in a siding. Don't get too comfortable, you miserable lot, said Henry. Percy will be coming to pick you up. Then he left. It's not fair, said Kyle. Yeah, I agree. Me 2, me 3, me 4. We wish there was something we could do to get revenge on those miserable engines. Wait a minute. We know what we can do. What? We are going to give them a taste of their own medicine. A taste of their own coal. Hey, that's a great idea, said Kyle. So, let's make the plan. As they made the plan, okay, said Percy. Alright, you miserable lot. The reason I am here is to take you guys back to where you came from. You hear me? Then Percy coupled up. Alright, said Percy. Alright, you guys. Now it's time to take you back to where you came from. Right. Wait, no, not right. Don't do it. Now let's do this. Alright, on the count of 3. As they came up to a hill, to a bridge. 1, 2, 3, now! And the trucks broke free. Broke away. We broke it away, they all said. And they saw the coupling point. They crashed into the truck, and the barrel was flying in the air. And it landed on Kyle, and then rolled out of Kyle. Good. Hey, all of us can move, they said. Good. Now let's find somewhere to hide. And we'll plan an attack tomorrow morning. Let's go get some stuff. So tomorrow morning, in the kingdom, the rescue cables, Rosetta and Reggie were hanging out together until. All right, said Kyle. Now let's move into position. Felicia and Slagger, you will attack Thomas and Ashima, while you two, Tumbler and Tumbler, you guys will attack the rest of the engines while I try to steal the water tanker, steal the rest of the engines, and try to scrap them. Are you ready to do this? Ready, 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 ready. Good, let's do this. Weesh! Good for us! They shouted. Huh? Cried Rosetta and Reggie. Wait, what? Guys, wake up! They shouted. Runaway trucks! Huh? Uh-oh. What do you think you're doing here? We are trying to scrap them. Ow! Good. They're taken out. Let's move it. Oh, no, you don't. Ah! How dare you, said Kyle. What do you want? We're trying to get rid of those miserable engines, said. Hey! You're not allowed to do that, said John. Yeah, what he said. We don't care. No, just let us get there. How dare you? Ow! He said. We're gonna go help him. I need a little help here, Amy. We're coming, he said. There was a fuel tanker named Toothy, who was the leader of the gang. Meanwhile, they didn't see a race car called Ace. I better go help them today. Let's make our plan. Ow! You think? Ow! And his crate fell out. Ah! That hurt, he said. Let's go get it. While the trucks are battling, well, what now? I can't just stand here, said Ace. Let's get him, said Ace. They were about to go attack when... Oh, no, ow! Thomas, let's go! Said Sheila. Get him! Said Tumbler. Let's get out! Said Sheila and Thomas. And Tumbler went after them. Help! Cried Ashima. Help! Cried Thomas. Let's keep moving. Oh no, you don't, said Ace. Attack! Get him! Ah! Hey, get off of me! Ow! You want a little surprise? Have this. Get off of me, motor! Ugh. Finally, he's off. Come on, you guys, let's get him. The rescue cable was I'm ready to try to stop the danger when Slagger blocked the line. Wait, what? And then Felicia knocked Rosetta off the roof. Ow! She cried. That'll teach you. We better go save him, Cindy. Shh. Yes, let's get moving. Ah! Now we go save him. Oh, no. Up there! Uh-oh, they're in trouble, said Percy. Bad trucks are after us! They cried. Uh-oh, not good. Let's see if we can make it over, said Ashima. Let's see if we can make it over, said Ashima. Come on, please make it, said Ashima and Tommy. Keep moving, they said. Shh. Yes, we made it. We're safe, said Ashima. But they spoke too soon. But Ashima spoke too soon. The track collapsed underneath Ashima. She pulled someone to the river. They were swerved to the right, and the track was swept away too. Ah! And they tumbled down the cliff. Ah! They cried. No! Cried Amy. We better help him, they said. We better go help him. Come on, James. We better go save him. Said James. Don't worry, Percy. I'll get you back on the rails. Shh. Thank you, James. No problem. As for... That's better. Now let's go save him. They must have disappeared through the river, cried Tucci. But just then, the weight underneath him buckled. Ah! cried Tucci. Oh! Ah! Tucci! cried Amy. It won't happen yet. To be continued in part 2.